Okay.
Please invite her because she has to be present here. No, because she wants invitation. No, that's why I'm telling you. Please invite her. So let her give us a problem. My voice is very loud. Let her.
Sang Fatima sang.
Please tell her.
Yes. Note it.
Yeah, hello. So, video dalla. Okay, phone पे बोल रहा सर.
I've sent you a mail regarding the noise pollution.
Content to take a resolution and act on the pubs, cafes, restaurants, clubs, event venues in the jurisdiction of Village Panchayat Marna Sholim
That violate the Noise Pollution Act, which prohibits amplified sound beyond 10 p.m. The defiance of playing amplified sound beyond the stipulated time has been harming the local, especially the school, college-going students, senior citizens, and other working-class citizens that need to report to work the next morning. Besides the homebound elderly citizens and women of the households around, we have observed that the music has been blasting throughout the night till early morning and many a times throughout the week. I have personally addressed it to the concerned authorities and no action has been taken.
Recently, the people of Siolim constituency peacefully protested from August 14 for 5 days at the Anjuna police station. Our elected representatives also participated, namely Delilah Lobo, MLA Siolim constituency, and I put links of the sound bites that each elected representative has given. So Delilah's link is there. Captain Viriato and Amit Patkar also addressed the protest. Their link is there. Captain Venzi, MLA of Benali constituency. So we had representatives coming from South Goa as well. While issuing, this is very important, while issuing permissions for all the above mentioned businesses, the Panchayat should take suggestions from our MLA. She has made very strong points in her sound bites to Bunty, who is our local
Guy here, and please look at that video. She has mentioned about ample parking has to be taken into account, okay, and sound monitoring devices. This is a court order. So when you are giving permissions to these places, kindly see that all these things is added to the sound monitoring devices are installed. Parking is a very big issue because see now we have got the one of the biggest clubs happening in Goa and it's happening in Siolim. You name some 5, I'll take them.
Sorry?
You name 5, I'll take them.
Clubs, I know the restaurants. Club restaurant, you can tell. Simple. I'm social purpose. Listen, Kiran, Atta Pai one and like Talasha, whoever, what is restaurant?
You know the
Like renewal, sound monitoring compulsory करता है. आता notice already that within 3 months time within 3 months. Otherwise renewal, not renew करते ना.
See, Sarpanch.
Yes.
Some of the topmost clubs are in Siolim. Some of the.
तुम्ही नाव घेऊ बघ रे नाव घ्या पळून लोकां नाव घेता तुम्ही घ्या नाव घ्या नो प्रॉब्लेम शुअर
Some of the topmost restaurants are in Siolim. What is the parking facilities there? The Wadi road is so narrow.
Yes.
Okay. And every time there's an event.
Wadi Talasha Pakina.
रस्त्याच्या पैकी
रस्तो दाखवा ते अवघड करू वाढेला ये ना वाढेला
Wadi restaurant.
Yes.
That road is so narrow. I think Rostan Pala and the restaurant and after Rostan we are parking this. I think I have to take a note of this.
God will not allow such things to happen. Wadi is a main tourism
have to follow the rules. Okay, if we go to other places and countries, if we break the rules, would we be permitted to run or stay there?
Please, mother notify करून द्या. Notify, please.
So
I know some, but 100% done there. Okay.
But see, our people who are living in this village, त्यांना कितले त्रास होतात?
जाता आमका सगळ्यांक जाता.
आमका त्रास होतात.
Yeah, that's why we are saying what.
That is why.
When you are issuing licenses, go and do an inspection of that site. You will know what is about 3 meter run in there, where the width is there. That is very important. That's why we are forcing you to put that stress first. See, do that inspection.
Okay. No, inspection असाही करून दाखव. माझं नाव आहे मला. आवडतं inspection. I am eager to do.
हे सगळे आमच्या गावात जाता आमकाय
ते
बरेच
भायले रेस्टॉरंट तू आणि कितें घेवन बसला तेंचे.
नाका
दाट नाव सांगतो. तू आणि कितें घेवन बसला. घेता मरे ग्रामसभा रेजोल्यूशन घेता हांव सांगता घेवया नाही घेवया. कित्याक घेवन बसला. ते भायले घेवन बसपाचें ना तूं ती नांव.
Please stress on parking and if there's sound.
तुका सांगलें घेता पर्सनली. आता न्यू ओल्ड आर तेंची घेता तूं नांवान घेता. ओके प्लीज.
And ex सरपंचात रातचे पासून मेसेज धाडल्या प्रत्येक वाचतले म्हणून.
माझा नंबर
Yeah.
आता नाही.
Regarding parking, now you have said no, all around the road in Marna, so many projects have been passed, mega projects. एक कोणी घुसून parking ना.
Okay.
If you
Wait.
go.
तुझे नाव संपले.
No, because of parking only I'm talking. I don't want. That's how I'm getting the check everywhere.
मासे मेंशन कर ट्रैफिक का गेट रखता हूं.
So,
Currently, I don't know for TCP, I'm not an expert in TCP laws, but if you see, in road widening, their parking is happening. And if you see that there are 2-3 projects, only 5 to 9 cars can be parked out. ताजे वयर सुबेज जाल्यार पण सगळे कंजेशन जाता and विलियमांच्या अटेन्शनाक हाडला ते ना रे बाबा it is not possible. See, they all have to pay attention to this because they are supposed to be parking their cars inside.
तुम्ही खंयचे टेन्शन करा हांव घेता एक्शन म्हणजे घेता तुम्ही वयल्यावर सांगू नाका बरोवन दिया आणि खंयचो प्रोजेक्ट आहे मेन्शन एनी प्रोजेक्ट.
Yeah, and this is happening like a
Trend everywhere we are passing project.
ट्रेन त्यांचं बंद करूया नावात दिना लास्ट टाइम अमृतान सांगले तेणी अजून दिना नाव. शेता पुरयता सांगता सर्वे नंबर नावांचे दिना थंय जाता. हा तुम्ही म्हणटा वायटपण नाका आम्ही वायटपण थंय जायना बांगडा रावया आनी करूया. बरोवन दिया करूया सांगतो. पुढे घ्या ना. आरम फर्नांडिस. एरा तो आरम फर्नांडिस. आयरन फर्नांडिस. ना नो.
कोण लोग तालेगाव पंचायत. ओके. जरा 1 मिनिट किती झाले तालेगाव पंचायतीत.
हॅलो वाडी मी वायडनिंग ऑफ रोड घेऊ शकता. ग्रामसभा रेजोल्यूशन सांगा मला.
अरे
हां
त्यांना
एक मीटर सायडीक वाढलं न्हू वेल एंड गुड. आमची लोकांची घरां खंय म्हणटले
आवाज सांगू शकता.
आमच्या लोकलांची घरां आहात.
पण म्हाका रेट केले.
ओल्ड दुर्गा न्हू ती भितून घेवया कशी घेवया आय
बरं हांव पळयता.
आय वाडी म्हणजे दुर्गा भितून घेवया कितें घेवन बसया. अरे ट्रॅफिक जाता तुम्ही उलयता तो रोड वायडींग करता न्हू. सांग
वाडी रोड वाइडिंग नाका वाडी रोड हा कोणतो रोड वाइडिंग केलो न्हू ते रेफरनचे गाडी आमी रस्त्यार लायता वाडी वाइडिंग नाका
पार्किंग करूया मरे आता पार्किंग करूया. रोड कितला वाईट आहे कितला आहे कितला रोड कितला असता घरानं दूर किरण डन पार्किंग तीना रे तीना पार्किंग रे आमचं जाणं फुटपाथून कंप्लीट जाणं रोड माइनिंग घेता रोड माइनिंग घेता ओके नका ओके नो प्रॉब्लेम
No, I think
तुम्ही सांगा
my personal opinion is that at least 2 vehicles should be able to go.
तू काय होईल आणि रोड 3 मीटर तू काय होईल
No, but 2 vehicles can pass by there.
yes तुम्ही सांगा काय काय नका अरे आहे ते दिना आणि आधी होय एक सांगा बोलून या आम्ही
बांधकाम कमिशन पंचायत केन्ना दिना रोड वायडनिंग एरियेक पळय आहा ती रोड वायडनिंग एरिया स्पेसिफिकली केअर फॉर रोड वायडनिंग तो पळय म्हणटा नाका बी म्हणून सो तेका नाका म्हणून रोड वायडनिंग जावता जायना ते रावता ना
पब्लिक ओपिनियन घे नो पब्लिक ओपिनियन
रोड
वांगडात करूया दुर्गा म्हणे वांगडात करूया आयडूया नाका म्हणे सांगा म्हणे बीडीसी कन्व्हेनर प्लीज ओके तुमचे सजेशन घेऊन गेला जोडा घेऊन ना
support me.
आता आवडतं बरं सांग म्हणजे आता रोड आहे अरे
You asking I don't take on my decision nothing happened. I just have to
ना ना ओके ना काय माहिती रोड वायडनिंग क्लोज झाली
असं करता बोल एक सेकंड
प्रॉपर्टी कोणी दिल्या लोक
आमचे लोक
No, but Abhay, that is not the point.
रोडार पास करता ते प्रपोजल दिला पळय हे करपाक चलोवपाक त्या लोकलान दिला न्हू ते फाल्यां सगळे आमकां कित्याक दिना काय
rules and regulations बरयलेले आहा. See, whenever any project is coming, that project ताका rules and regulations दितात ताका terms and conditions आहा. Let us follow the terms and conditions. We are not telling you to एका बोरे करून तेका बोरे करना. Follow the rules. We are telling follow the rules. Am I right? Don't follow the rules. बस आनी काय ना.
एक रूल फॉलो केला जाल्यार मागीर इश्यू करपाचे
What rules?
No. If they follow the rules, we have to give them license. Okay, thank you.
They can't park on the road. They have to show their parking.
कोण parking करतो? Next.
Most of the times the road is wider flow of traffic, but it does not happen.
departments like PWD, electricity. A mail was sent by the office requesting.
This is a very important meeting. See, we are having a lot of issues regarding construction, roads, water. We are facing issues. So let all the departments stand here. Along with the MLA, let me also discuss with the water speaker. Okay?
Yes, better.
With MLA.
But someone is required to share this properly because it will become chaotic with so many departments.
No, I mean.
No, the Swayam Mitra is Mitra.
And you don't forget to get a discipline because they are very important. Ye sagle vaat laila, aapki shorey vaat laila, sagle discipline.
Rajesh Nayak.
So we have to call, somebody has to be present, and if we put it in serious writing, then we are going to give one of the discipline. And then we can.
Regarding generator for health department, the health center.
There's a generator, right? We had gone to visit that, and she said the generator it requires around 80 liters diesel or something. She has given it writing to some department. Mentioned that. Must you follow up? See, the generator is very important. Hospital, it is like.
No, petrol diesel.
So I think they are not getting diesel. Parts of it. So must you follow up? Tell MLA to please follow up and get it.
Government
No. It is waiting. I think they have given it in March or April something. So it is lying in the office because if MLA signs on that and it is a remark for a it will be done faster.
Dita, government dita right?
No, yeah, they have to take the quota.
Later,
Okay, health center.
Yeah.
Very important.
The generator is sponsored, but there's no diesel fix. Generator is sponsored by.
And ADC must sponsor it. ADC, government.
No sponsor for diesel. Jogi, toilet is.
Yeah, one more thing, there's a toilet. See, I had gone for a checkup to the toilet. There's a new building. So that toilet was locked. So then I went and asked the doctor why that is locked. Because that is for male, female. So that was locked. So I went and I questioned why it is locked. Then she said that tiles are not working. The new building, the tiles are not working. The toilet is
बरं पोट गोटा की बरं अरे के बोले मग त्यांना बोलत की त्यांना फोन मला
and the building also there is the building and the software leakages there on the new street and old also they have some problems there. One patient has that all that water is actually they just try to. So it is already